What is up? It's your boy Aing here, bringing to you guys a brand new freaking video, man. So look, listen, today we got a fun one. Today we got an exciting one. Today we've got a banger. Today's video, we're gonna be talking about why I actually regret getting this Voodoo blue. At the end of the day, no, I don't regret it like I wish I could return it, but I regret getting it for many reasons, and maybe this will deter you from getting a bright colored truck. Starting off with number one, the number one reason I regret it is I can't be incognito. Like, I can't ever not be the center of attention. And as conceited as it sounds, it's true. If you've ever purchased a Voodoo blue truck, you know this is true. If you've ever purchased a Lime Rush truck, you know this is true. Everyone stares and they don't stop staring. For example, I'm going on a camping trip this weekend. Last weekend I went and scoped out the area, and the only bad thing is you can see it from the street. So if I'm parked on the side of the road in the woods, you see that tree? See that truck? See that tree? Yeah, they don't blend very well. I don't know why I want to fly a helicopter now. So this color is really meant if you want to stand out and be the center of attention everywhere. Me personally, I don't. Anyone who knows me personally knows I'm a very quiet person. I keep to myself all the time, as much as I can. But with this truck, I can't. I really can't. Gas stations, oh, I like your truck. Parking lots, people just walking by staring at it. I'm literally trying to get to my truck and people are just like, oh, pointing at it. Like, I can't get in. Had this truck not been Voodoo blue, had it been black, had it been quicksand, because I have experience, no one would address it as much as they do. Also, quicksand blended in a lot better than Voodoo blue. So that's the number one reason for me. One, I can't go incognito. I can't hide. I can't just be to myself because everyone's always looking at the truck. I get it. It's a beautiful truck. Enjoy. Secondly, though, this one is going to hurt the soul. I had a quicksand Toyota Tacoma. That quicksand Toyota Tacoma was babied. I didn't do much with it. I did quite a bit. Going down the road 80 miles per hour, I reach to turn on some AC, I twist the knob, my music cuts, and my system is not happy. It starts beeping really loud.
Was anyone else scared for a little bit?
When this monkey kicks in, it'll give me around 30 to 40 more horsepower. So just keep that in mind if you see me take off like a Lamborghini. But this Voodoo blue, it hurts me when I damage it. And right now, it's going through it. It is hurt bad. So let's start off with the first problem. The first problem is offset. Offset is not a wise decision if you are a maniac like I see a gravel road, I'm sending it down that gravel road at 60 miles an hour. I see dirt, I'm going down that dirt as fast as I can. Mud, still on the truck. Being that we have this offset, it all comes up and damages the truck. The other day I sent it down a gravel road and heard a lot of banging, a lot of clattering, a lot of noises that I wasn't impressed with. Got out the truck and I haven't checked this side. I'm about to check it now. And sure enough, we are chipping away at the paint. Now, Rob Motive, if you're watching this, I am so sorry. I apologize that you have to see a Voodoo blue beast like this go down in flames. On the other side, I know we're damaged. I checked it. I was very upset. Where are you, buddy? Where are you? This one is the worst. I mean, that is down to the metal. There's a few other bits that are chipped up, like up there on the bumper. Back here, Sandy had an oops. Sandy and I were unloading a bike. She said she had it. I got off the truck, she didn't have it, okay? You can see right here, it's like scraped up, and then up there it got chipped a little bit. Was I upset? Yes. Is it the end of the world? No. I will pin your comment to the first person who can tell me what this is. My truck gets these everywhere. You see those black dots?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
They're these little black balls, and they're squishy, but then they don't come off. And then if I try to take it off with my nail, then I scratch the paint. It sucks. As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat, okay? We have a triple threat going at the Voodoo blue paint, and it's not fun. It sucks. So unfortunately, this isn't gonna change. I think Tough Skins maybe, I'm not sure, has some smaller mud flaps. If they do, let me know in the comment section because I'm gonna need them. The Voodoo Blue is kind of a love-hate relationship right now with me, okay? I love the way the truck looks, but I'm kind of getting bored. I'm thinking we may do a whole redesign on this bad boy. I'm talking headlights, fog lights, wheels, not tires. I think I'm gonna keep tires, or maybe even tires, emblems, everything. And it's kind of hard to choose a color. You kind of have to let Voodoo Blue be the beast in this whole picture, because what can I do? If I just black it out, then it's just blacked out like every other truck. You guys already know we don't like doing what every other truck does. Nothing wrong with it. If you do it, good for you. This is in the future, of course, but when I change everything, I want something to complement the Voodoo Blue. But there's really nothing else, maybe help me out here, other than black. Okay, some people do bronze. I don't know if I could go bronze with the Voodoo Blue. I don't know if I could pull it off. I just don't know how many options you have with the Voodoo Blue. So if you get this color, or if you get like a lime rush color, you really have to be sold and committed to representing that color forever. I love the color blue. It's my favorite color, and Voodoo Blue is my dream color. So I wish I could do more with it, but if I can't, you know, it's fine. So with that being said, those are the 3 reasons why I regret getting the Voodoo Blue. A lot of people have been asking me this question, so I felt only right I should make the video and talk about it. Do I regret it? Honestly, no. I love the truck. I absolutely adore the truck. It does hurt my soul when I scratch it up and I damage it, because it's such a beautiful color. It should not be treated this way. It should only be treated the way Rob Motive treated it. But would I ever sell it or get rid of it just because it's blue? No. That's literally like the only reason I hold on to it and keep it. I will say my videos don't do it justice. You already know if you've seen one in public, this doesn't look very Voodoo Blue. I don't know why my camera, it does this, but either way, it's a beautiful blue. With all that being said, let me know down below in the comment section what color you regret getting or what color you regret letting go of. Honestly, I wish I could have got this truck, kept the quicksand, and never used this truck only to go to the mall, but then it probably would have got a door ding. I regret getting rid of the quicksand because of how good it looked. All the time, just dirty, whatever. You could scratch it up, do whatever to it, and not hurt about it. But with that being said, I hope you guys did enjoy. If you did, a like, a comment, and a subscription would be much appreciated. We're on the road to 1 million. We're actually really close to 4,000, so we're getting closer by the minute, and you're only helping out by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Share this video, it'd be much appreciated. But with that being said, it's been your boy. I'm Matty Like and Nowdy. I'll see you tomorrow. Cinco de Malo. Peace. If you're still watching this video, Voodoo Blue is way better than Cement Gray. Take that, Mumphy. So as you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at this Voodoo Blue paint. As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at this Voodoo Blue paint. As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at this Voodoo Blue paint. As you guys see, we kind of have a As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at the Voodoo Blue paint. As you guys see, oh god. As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at the Voodoo Blue. As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at the Voodoo Blue paint. Why? As you guys see, we kind of have a triple threat going at the Voodoo Blue paint. Nice.